Now, what I'm about to do is the basics in terms of the beginning of CXC, whereby we are going to start to solve equations. Master what I'm doing now, after your problems are solved. That's just the beginning of what is yet to come. There are more complex ones, but I'm going to do the easy ones for now, and I'm going to leave the complex ones for later. For when you go to Form 3, Form 4. Form 2, I'm just touching the surfaces of solving equations. Okay? Now you have a skill, people, and you see the thing is, what I'm about to do is based on balancing. It's based on balancing. And there is two methods that you can use to solve an equation. So to solve an equation, there are two methods. Yes, take it down. One, you have the balance method. And there's a particular school that like to use the balance method. All that don't really like to use the balance method. And then there you have what is called shift. You shift. So the balance method, and we are going to be shifting. I'm going to show you both. Solving equations. To solve an equation. Sorry. I'm using my own words, so I'm listening for. Yeah? Sorry? Okay, so I'm going to do a simple example, and I'm going to use one on my site, on my website. If you have, for example, 8 plus 9, solve an example here. Solve the equation. And once they tell you to solve, that means you are going to find the unknown. Okay? Once they tell you to solve, that means you're supposed to find the unknown. Okay? So solve the equation means that you're going to find the unknown letter. So to solve the equation, and the equation is A plus 9 is equals to 12. A plus 9 is equals to 12. Tell me. So you do this two ways. I'm going to do it both ways. Okay? Now you know from common entrance, from common sense, you know that if you add 3 to 9, you're going to get 12. You see that? Yes, sir. So you know 3 is the answer. So you do this two ways. One way is that I'm going to show you the easy way. Well, I shouldn't say the easy way. The way that I prefer. But you can do it both ways. CXC requires you to do it both ways. Okay? Any way that you choose. Because there is an addition sign here, right? I need to get rid of anything by the unknown, which is A. So I'm going to get rid of that 9. In order to get rid of this 9, I'm supposed to balance it with the other side. Is that? So I'm going to get rid of this 9 here. So I'm going to take 9 and I'm going to subtract it on that side. Whatever you do on one side, to the right, you do to the left. So it's going to be A plus 9, I'm going to get rid of 9, so I'm going to subtract 9, is equals to 12 minus 9. You see that? Whatever you do on one side, you do to the next side. That's all. I'm going to get rid of the 9, so I'm going to subtract 9 on both sides. So it's going to be A plus 9 minus 9 is 0. Yes? So it's going to be A is equals to 9 from 12 is 3. You see that? Tell me.
So, for the first one, so, instead of saying that 9 you know in 19, so you can just do 1 9 instead.
I'm going to do it in terms of the shifting. That's the other way I'm going to do it. You have A plus 9 is equals to 12. The other way, you see me do this. I'm going to take the 9, I'm going to bring it on this side. When you bring it on the other side, the sign changes. Very important. So from positive, it becomes negative. So it is A is equals to 12 minus 9. From positive to negative. So A is equals to 3. Yeah, I know, sorry. Okay? Questions pertaining to that? Now, why do I have 2 9s? Because I am getting rid of the 9 on this side. Whatever number that you have here, just subtract it so that you can have the letter by itself. Yes, you subtract it by itself. Your objective is to have the letter all by itself. That's all. You can take a short note. Operations with addition sign. Note. Operations with addition sign. Operations with addition sign. To get the unknown, you do the opposite, people. To get the unknown, you subtract on both sides of the equation.
So say they are subtract, you add.
Yeah, and if there is subtract, you add. Simple. That's right. And it goes on. But of course, we're going to come to that.